Let's go to question 2. The letters A to E are placed at points on the curve y equals f of x. What's the gradient of the curve y equals f of x at the point marked C? F prime of x equals 0 because C is a local maximum point. Question 2. Fill out the table below. A through C. The graph is increasing, so dy dx is a positive increasing function. From C to E, the graph is decreasing because as x increases, y decreases. Derivative is negative. Let's go to question 3. A function f is defined for x greater than or equal to -4, less than or equal to 3. The graph of f is given below. The graph has a local maximum when x equals 0 and a local minimum when x equals -3 and x equals 2. Write down the x-intercepts of the graph of the derivative function f prime. X-intercept means f prime of x equals 0 at local maximum or local minimum points. So the answer will be at x equals 0, -3, and 2. Write down all values of x for which f prime of x is a positive. F prime of x is positive means f of x is an increasing function. This part of graph and this part of graph increasing. -3, 0. This is a 3, 2. So we will write down the interval when x greater than -3, less than 0, or x greater than 2, less than or equal to 3. No equal sign for -3, 0, or 2, because at x equals 0, -3, and 2, f prime of x equals 0. Number 3, write down all values of x for which f prime of x is a negative, which means a decreasing function. From here to here. From here to here, the graph is decreasing. -4. So we write down x greater than or equal to -4, less than -3, or x greater than 0, less than 2. Question 4. At point D on the graph of f, the x-coordinate is 0.5. This point is D. What's f prime of 0.5? Y. F prime of 0.5 less than 0. Because the slope of tangent line at x equals 0.5 is negative. at point E on the graph of f, the x-coordinate is -1. It's here. What's f of -1? F of -1 equals 0 because it's x-intercept of f of x. F prime of -1 greater than 0 because the slope of a tangent line at x equals -1 is positive.